behind, hon. Check it out.
Where's the cows?
They're coming, son, right there.
Those are the cows?
No, look, right over here. Come stand right over here. Turn around, turn around.
Yay! Okay, we're gonna have
Okay, David, I want you to come turn around and so I can take a picture of you right here. Come here, over here. Turn around, look at me. David, turn around and look at me.
Yay! Ride them cowgirls!
Oh, this is the cow dogs.
Why is the dogs?
Because there are.
Cow dogs.
What do you think? What do you think, Dylan? There's lots of cows.
Why are they doing this?
What, son?
Why are the horses doing this?
They're checking it out.
Good boy. Bye-bye, Lulu. Are those girls or boys?
The horses?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure, son.
What are those done with? Oh, are they beautiful? What are those done with?
But they are.
Yay! Hi, everybody! Look at you! Lots to see!
There's the. What do you see right there, David? What's that?
Have fun, yeah!
You see the clown, hon?
Yeah. Why is there a clown?
Ah, it's part of the celebration, son.
Beauty, baby! Beauty!
Howdy, everybody!
Next year you need to get Julian on one of them. I don't know, you find out. Do you need to get me on a horsey sometime?
You want to get on a horse? We'll see about that.
Francis. He turned away. Julian, look at Grandma. Cheese, come on, say, look at the horses, Julian. Look at the pony. Beautiful. Ride that way.